Hello student, today we have to see expression for vibrational energy of simple harmonic oscillator. Previous period we studied about IR spectroscopy, in which we studied which molecules are said to be IR active and which molecules are said to be IR inactive. Means, in order to show IR spectroscopy, which conditions should be followed by sample, this we have seen previously. Now today we have to see expression for vibrational energy for simple harmonic oscillator. For that, consider a diatomic molecule which behaves like simple harmonic oscillator. Consider a simple diatomic molecule which behaves like a simple harmonic oscillator, and according to wave mechanics, vibrational energy of such a molecule is given by energy of vibration, that is E vibration is equals to V plus half into H into omega of oscillation. Here this omega of oscillation is nothing but vibrational frequency, or we can say it as oscillational frequency. Now you know simple frequency nu, okay, and what is the relationship between the velocity of light and wavelength? Nu equals to C upon lambda. This is known to you. Now that's why nu equals to C into nu bar. Why nu bar? Because you know nu bar equals to 1 upon lambda, that is the wave number in terms of wave number. This is frequency in terms of wave number. Similarly, if omega of oscillation is a vibrational frequency, or one can say it is a oscillational frequency, then it is equals to C upon lambda. Again, this 1 upon lambda is nothing but nu bar. Here 1 upon lambda is nothing but omega bar of oscillation. Okay, what is this? This is a vibrational frequency in terms of wave number. That's why here it is bar. And again, omega bar of oscillation is nothing but 1 upon lambda. Are you getting clear? This is explained here only because we have to use this in our expression. Now see, here omega of oscillation is the vibrational frequency, or one can say it as a oscillational frequency. Here it is omega of oscillation. It is related to its wave number by this formula. Okay, now here this energy, in this energy expression, this V is vibrational quantum number. What is it? It is vibrational quantum number, and this vibrational quantum number varies from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, in order to transfer this vibrational energy in centimeter inverse, or in order to transfer it into a wave number transformation, then here we have to divide it by HC. What we have to do? We have to divide it by SC. Now before this, but you know omega of oscillation is nothing but C into omega bar of oscillation. Why it is so? You know that conversion. Okay, now put here this E of vibration is equals to V plus half remains as it is, H remains as it is, only instead of this it will be C into omega bar of oscillation. Okay, now in order to transfer this vibrational energy from joules to centimeter inverse, divide it by Hc. That's why epsilon of vibration is equals to E of vibration upon Hc, means divide this by Hc. Now V plus half into Hc omega bar of oscillation divided by Hc. Here this HH cancel, CC cancel. That's why epsilon of vibration is equals to V plus half into omega bar of oscillation, so many centimeter inverse. This is the energy of vibration in terms of wave number. Now, if we have to see the expression, that's why, or if we plot a graph of energy of vibration versus internuclear distance for simple harmonic oscillator, if here there is internuclear distance and along y-axis if it is vibrational energy in centimeter inverse. Okay, this is vibrational energy in centimeter inverse along this axis. Now the simple harmonic oscillator gives the graph as shown here. Why it is so? Because in this expression, if vibrational quantum number is 0, that's why if V equals to 0, then this expression implies epsilon 0 is equals to V 0 means half omega bar of oscillation. Okay, means for this, when molecule or sample is in its ground state, when V equals to 0, then its energy is, what is its value? It will be half omega bar of oscillation. Are you getting clear? Very simple. Now if V equals to 1, this formula implies epsilon 1 is equals to 1 plus half, it will be 3 by 2 omega bar of oscillation. Simple mathematics. 1 plus half, it will be 3 by 2. That's why when V equals to 1, corresponding energy becomes, it will be 3 by 2 omega bar of oscillation. Similarly, if V equals to 2, then it will be epsilon 2 is equals to 5 by 2 omega bar of oscillation. Here V equals to 2, then it will be 5 by 2 omega bar of oscillation. Now further, again when V equals to 3, then it will be 7 by 2, then 9 by 2 omega bar of oscillation. Okay, omega bar of oscillation. These are the different values as quantum number varies from 0 to onwards. Are you getting clear? Now this is the energy diagram for which simple harmonic oscillator. Now here if V equals to 0, then epsilon 0 equals to half omega bar of oscillation. This value of energy is called as 0 point energy. What is it called? It is called as a 0 point energy, that is ZPE. Sometimes it is denoted as. Now this 0 point energy, what is it? This 0 point energy is the energy of a molecule in lowest vibrational energy level at a absolute zero of temperature. Are you getting clear? Means at this stage, when the sample or molecule is in its lowest vibrational energy level, but what is there? It has some vibrational energy. Though the vibration motions are ceased, but it has vibrational energy, and that lowest possible energy, according to quantum mechanics, this lowest possible energy of the vibrational molecule in its lowest vibrational energy level at absolute zero of temperature is called as 0 point energy. Are you getting clear? समझ में आया? This is the expression for energy. Later on, this is simple harmonic oscillator. This is expression, or one can say a graphical representation. Later on, if V equals to 0, from this it is the ZPE, its value in terms of wave number half omega bar. Later on, V varies, that is vibrational quantum number varies from 0 to onwards, and these are the different vibrational energy levels associated with their particular value of vibrational energy. And when there is a transition, now there is another point, and which is known to you, it is called as a selection rule. And what is the selection rule for vibrational spectroscopy? Previously we come to know microwave spectra. In that microwave spectra, the selection rule is delta J equals to plus minus 1, and other transition delta J equals to plus minus 2 plus minus 3 are forbidden. Here also the selection rule is delta V is equals to plus minus 1. Means if it is absorption vibrational spectra, the selection rule will be delta V equals to plus 1, and for emission it will be delta V equals to minus 1. This is regarding the selection rule or allowed transitions in the vibrational spectra. In this way, this is nothing but an expression for vibrational energy for simple harmonic oscillator, along with the vibrational energy level diagram for simple diatomic molecule which behaves as a simple harmonic oscillator. समझ में आया? देखो, ये एक्सप्रेशन में अपने को सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए कि in order to derive expression, consider simple diatomic molecule which behaves as a simple harmonic oscillator. Then according to wave mechanics, its vibrational energy is given by E of vibrational, capital E of vibrational is equals to V plus half into H omega bar of omega of oscillation. Here V is the vibrational quantum number, and this omega of oscillation is nothing but vibrational frequency, or one can say it is oscillational frequency. Now this vibrational frequency is similar to our daily routine frequency nu equals to C by lambda. Here omega of oscillation is also equals to C by lambda. Here nu equals to C into nu bar. Here omega of oscillation equals to C into omega bar of oscillation. Only difference is that it is a frequency, it is the vibrational or oscillational frequency. That's why omega of oscillation is nothing but C into omega bar. Put it in same formula is there. Now in order to transfer this energy of vibration from joules to centimeter inverse, what you have to do? We have to divide it by H into C. That's why divide into H into C. It will be energy frequency in terms of a vibrational quantum number, that is centimeter inverse. That's why E of vibration, very important derivation, E of vibration is equals to V plus half into omega bar of oscillation. Here V is the vibrational quantum number which varies from 0 to onwards. That's why in this way these are the various values of the vibrational energy. Now again, after that 0 point energy, minimum energy in its lowest vibrational energy level. Later on, selection rule. Here possibilities in absorption spectra, there will be transition in this way, only one step ahead. Okay, or if emission, then it will be in this way. Okay, now this is about a expression for vibrational spectra. Okay.